Hello guys, hello wonderful skill learning family. This is another sessions on creating Fiverr accounts that rank well and got approved. Some people have been facing the problem of account disapproval in one way or the other. Some people after even creating it successfully, no order, no message, nothing. Actually, we have really discussed about algorithm limitations in some of our sessions. It is called shadow ban. When you are shadow banned, there is something called algorithm limitation. You will not get rank. Your impression will be going up, coming down. Let's say you have 300 today, you get 310 tomorrow, 280 another day, no message, no order. Why? The way you create the account, the system has already dictated that you bypass some things, like you make use of proxy, you make use of VPN, and the first gig you create, you just create some decoy gig, like the gig that has less competition. All those things, all those strategies, they already knows everything, they understand everything, and what they only always do is that they put the account into being algorithm limited. The algorithm is going to limit the account. There won't be any performance. Now, how do you create account with claimed IP, with everything, without having algorithm limitation, no shadow ban? The account will be getting messages, getting order. The first thing you need to understand is that the source of your data connections really matters. Most people, when you the same data connections, maybe the MTN SIM or Blue SIM that you have purchased before, that same thing is what you are using. It is the same thing you are using to create, it's the same thing you use to create many accounts later and later, of which that SIM, the IP on it has already been registered with Fiverr before. And that's why you notice that at times in your office, when Fiverr disable account, at times you face what we call multiple account disabled, whereby like 5 to 10 account disabled in one day. Why? It is all those accounts on that IP. According to Fiverr policy, they said one account per IP, and whenever your account has been disabled, don't come to their platform again, of which many freelancers cannot do. So you connecting different accounts, even different PC to same data connection, or this thing you always say, office Wi-Fi, you connect several accounts through it before, or you have been using it, is going to be a problem. So the first thing you need to go and get is to go and get new data SIM. New data SIM is very important. New data SIM, you can get MTN or Glow or any internet service provider. Make sure you get it from them. When you get it from them, and you have to register it, and this is what you need to do. The phone that you have your Fiverr on, that your Fiverr is on it, don't put that SIM to test, maybe for call or maybe to check some things online, because there are some logs that always operate at the background. We call it background process. Let me show you something here. This is the task bar here, and if I tell you that on this task bar, let me show you more details here. On this task bar, I only open Brave browser, I top screen recorder, my settings and task manager. But you see a lot of background processes, aggregate, all this, all that I don't even know. So by the time you input that SIM, maybe you input that SIM to check some things, you input that SIM to check your data connections, you are using that SIM to do this or to do that, there is going to be a problem. I want you to understand that, because the Fiverr is already on it and the data connection is on. So in a nutshell, what I expect you to do when you get your data SIM is to use a button phone, or this phone that there's nothing like internet connections, or if you are using your Android, make sure you put everything, make sure that Android, you freeze all your accounts, all your app, you freeze everything just to text the SIM if it is working or not. Just make sure the SIM is not put inside the phone that there's a Fiverr on. And another thing you need to get is that your PC, many of you they put like 15 to 20 people on one PC, on one gadget. it's normal because of some offices you group some people to one PC and they have different Fiverr account on it, there's going to be a problem. But for you to, these classes is not only about you having your account created, but getting orders on time, getting message, getting conversion, so that the algorithm can push you, so that the algorithm can favor your gig. Now, this is what you need to understand. All these accounts, you may have different Chrome profile, like you have Brave profile, different kind of accounts, and it doesn't mean because on your PC you have one ID, just like your fingerprint, your DNA. It is called MAC, media access control. On this media access control, many people, your PC has one, it has only one. So whatever the strategy you use extension, you use this, you use that, and you have multiple accounts on the PC, or you already have it before, just know that there's going to be a problem because it is already registered. The next thing you need to do is you format your PC, format everything, because this strategy is only meant for one user at a time. It's only meant for you. One user per PC, one Fiverr user, one PC. You don't let anybody make use of that PC. Format the PC instead of going to buy another PC. And the third thing is to get M10 Wi-Fi. It can be old one, it can be new one. Make sure you put your SIM inside it. And that's your PC. There is another rules to avoid the shadow ban. That's your PC. Always make sure of one thing. Make sure of one thing on that PC, that on your PC, it is only connected to that Wi-Fi with that data SIM. Don't ever use your new Wi-Fi, your new data SIM. Don't ever connect it to another PC. Don't ever do that. Don't ever risk that. Don't ever do that at all. That means your PC with that Wi-Fi, make sure you marry them together for life. Don't cheat. Don't let your PC cheat by connecting to another source of internet connections. If you can follow all this strategy, your account will stay as a Nigerian account and you are going to make a lot of money on it. So guys, you need to understand many things about it. Make sure you stick to that rules, you stick to the rules. Don't borrow anybody your internet connections. Don't connect them, especially to this special Wi-Fi. Now, another thing you need to understand is that you need to understand some extensions